Hi, this is Hope from Bellezza Laser Aesthetics, and today we are going to apply Amazing Base. This is the janeiredale mineral powder. You can kind of see our makeup here behind me. And I really like the janeiredale for a myriad of reasons. One, it's very economical as far as your usage. You don't need very much and you get great coverage, and you can layer to build the coverage as you go. So I'm going to show you first how to apply your primer. So I always start with my primer. This is the Smooth Affair. This is for oily skin. It's awesome stuff. So you're going to take a little bit in your fingertips, about that much. You do not need a lot. So, you know, a good fat pea size like this, all over the face. So just going to kind of rub it in, and you want to rub it in. At first it's going to feel really kind of slimy, and then it's going to get nice and silky and smooth. There we go. Totally rubbed in, and then I like to kind of smooth it down the neck. I always bring my powder down the neck a little bit for blending purposes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to color match. In this palette we have Radiant, and in this palette we have Natural, or Amber color rather. This is the Amber. So I'm first going to do the Natural. So here's my Q-tips. I'm going to color match and put it right there. And that looks pretty good. Blends in, you can barely see it. So that's a good way to color match, is to kind of go off the face where you have all your pink. I'm definitely pink, I'm kind of translucent. So this is my Amber, let's try that. Put this over here. And I actually really like a little bit more coverage for me on color, so I think I'm gonna go with the Amber today. So I'm gonna grab my pressed, so here's my pressed, and then I really like this wonderful little stippling type brush. I'm going to put my powder on, and you can see it's on the end of the brush, and I'm going to place it all over the face like this. And then after I get my powder on, then I'm going to rub it in so that I really work it into the skin. My favorite place to get myself is right under my eyes, because I'm so vascular, it evens out my skin tone. So after I've applied it to my skin, I basically just kind of buff it in a little bit. You can really see how it's evening out my skin tone so nicely. So I'm watching myself in the mirror as I apply around the nose. And just kind of buffing it everywhere. Great, I'll even go over my lids a little bit. And then I really like to blend down the neck. So we're going to take that and go down the neck a little bit, and see, look at how that cancels out the red, because I'm super pink everywhere, very vascular. This also is nice because it can kind of cover pigment. So there's your base right there. That is how easy it is to apply mineral powder. So come on over to Bellezza Laser Aesthetics. We can color match you, make sure that we get exactly the right color for your skin, show you how to apply it. And it just gives a beautiful natural finish to the skin. It just kind of makes you look a little bit more put together. And you also get SPF, which is great. So we'll see you here sometime for makeup. Thanks so much. Have a great day.